Hello, the world is very small and everything is going very small as well too. And that's why now people are traveling everywhere and you must make sure that you also traveling too because you are enjoying your life. And when you're traveling around and you're doing business or in your company, you're continuously doing your conversion. So what do? You find the currency converter website, you go there and you search those different website, put your number, search your those currency and you find this thing. But now I'm going to bring you to a one-click situation. So today, the plugin I'm going to show you right now that can show you for free to convert any number to any digital currency you want. And it's going to be significantly save your time to connecting and converting those currency when you're on the way. You want that, right? I'm sure you want it. So let's get started for the productivity number 2 today. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure, it can happen. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them? So well, basically to do this one, first thing we need to do is get the plugin to be installed in your computer, right? To do this one, what do you just write down currency converter Pro. That is the name of the converter, right? So basically you write it down and you can see that currency converter Pro, Google Chrome. You click and basically you can see it's loading right now. And yeah, that's the one. Make sure that this is the logo and I already included into it. And it's so amazing. And how I'm using this one, I'm going to show it to you is basically you can click it here. And you can put any number anywhere. Like an example, you want to convert, and you can see that not only one currency, you can add multiple currency the way you want. You can remove it, or you can even edit it as well. So it's super simple. You can just click it, and then you can select other currency. And now, how the conversion happen? Let's say you want to see US dollar. Let's say you just put down 500 US dollar. Immediately, that has been converted to other currency, which I put down: Vietnam dong, euro, Malaysian ringgit, British pound and everything. But now this is the best part. This is not only just put it down. You can be here and immediately in your screen, whenever you're playing something, all you need to do is you just select a particular number and it will immediately give you around how to show it, right? Now let's go to the Google. And this is the success booster card time. So question of the day. What is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more. And this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and commit it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% read that is going to really happen to you. You will be able to make it happen and successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're all sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. And let's say you just type 500. And let's say there is a 500 somewhere, right? So all you need to do is about just selecting. I'm going to block it. This basically allowing you to just select the 500. And as soon as you select the 500, immediately it show you the 500 USD, and then that number will turn into a different currency. You may think that, John, you just put 500, right? That is coming from there. Let me put down another one. Let's put a 1,000, put it on there, and let's get into some website. Like basically go inside the website. Let's go and just go inside the website, and any number you select, it will immediately be converted. So we can see this one is a 1,000, and I'm just going down and select. And immediately you can see the pop up here, $1,000, because I selected $1,000, bid into all the selected currency. And now currency conversion is at your fingertips an immediate second, and anywhere at any time, of course for free. The plugin is absolutely free. So now, what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead and install it in your computer, this Google Chrome add-ons, and crush your conversion moving forward. All the best. If you have any other questions, or if you're looking for more other tips about this one, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification, and that will make sure that every day you receive one skill to make your life as an entrepreneur, professional, more productive, and more successful. Good luck. And if you have any more questions, go ahead and comment below. Love to give you an advice to help your success journey.